Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He's the creator of all of us. When He created humans, He created them as the best of His creations. Of all the things, of all the beings that He has created, He created humans as the superior among everybody else. And hence we were given the title of Ashraful Makhluqat. And then for the humans, there had to be a role model, which had to be the perfect example of what the maximum potential a human being can achieve in all aspects of being a human, be it the human body, the best way it can be used, be it the emotions that a human emit and the emotions that affect everybody around that human being, be it the way that human thinks, the clarity of thought, the ability to take decisions in the toughest of circumstances, the ability to transform an emotional crunch into an analytical thinking, or be it having a clear vision, and then not only having a clear vision, but the capacity to live through to achieve that vision, to stick to that vision no matter what the surroundings, circumstances are. That model had to be given or presented to the people so that they can then emulate, learn, and follow. And that model is the life of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It was very thought-provoking what Dr. Dinilino just shared, and I'm very inspired to hear that now our science is catching up with all these breakups of what the human capacity as a leader can be or should be. But subhanAllah, 1400 years ago, when there was no such science to define 4 dimensions of leadership, for there to be a body set, a heart set, a mind set, and a soul set, there was just one individual who in his day-to-day dealing, in a very simplistic life that he was leading, in a very small group of people who he started with to lead, which then turned into a huge nation in itself, he showed all aspects and many more that the science is yet to learn through his profound leadership.